We're here in the restaurant, guys, and waiting for our order. We're gonna eat. So, just sit back and relax. Sit back and relax, and maybe I'm gonna make another highlight. Mamaya na, guys, in 5 minutes. Para may pakita ko rin sa inyo yung I ordered chicken sabaw because my arthritis my arthritis is killing me. Thank you. Uy, tuwa to sa kuan ang kwarta ha, bantay mo ka. Uy, nakakita na po kuan ni. Ang money to ana kog utang sa ilawom sa ako ang side ba sa ilawom sa dili sa online sa.
Ayun ko maglabot dito sa mga.
Ay, basi ay nakakita ko og kwarta. Katong imong gihatag nako ba?
Ayun po sa makuha sa ilong.
No, sa ilawom sa kuan dong ilawom sa lamp lamp. Eh, mega love shout out, BG Kuman. Thank you for coming to my
Sa
live.
buholos na makapakit na.
Mau ba? Thank you, BG Kuman, for coming. Mega love shout out. I will go to visit your house later. So, BG Kuman, Titski, AR Kabayan, Pauline OCD, and Asit Nazorin. Maybe I... Okay, guys. Support BG Kuman. I will engage with you guys later. AR Kabayan PW Vlog. 13 Titski Bells. Nga naman.
Na yung boxing.
Oh.
Pilipino.
O ya? Titski Bells. Kinsa pa? Sino pa? Pauline OCD. Okay, I will engage with you guys. Later na, guys, after this one. Pauline OCD. Andrew Tate. Mega love shout out. My Bugatti. What is Bugatti? Is it a car, Andrew? I don't have a Bugatti car. Let me go Google that one. Andrew Tate. I know, I still saw somebody. I'm backgrading, guys. Oh, okay. Asset Naurim Vlogs. Who else? Okay, thank you guys for watching. So I already make a list for me to do later. Do the engagement later, guys. And who else is gonna come? Mega love shout out 7 eyes. Thank you, 7 eyes. Oh wow, 11 eyes. 37 minutes and 33 seconds. Thank you, BJ. Linnea. Probably I will when I go eat. I don't know. Let me see. What is the view on the other side? Oh, just like that. Yeah, I can do it like that.